the Lords spiritual and temporal of this realm, and members of the House of Commons, together with other members of Her late Majesty's Privy Council.
Stop doing this shit. Stop dressing up in your funny fucking costumes and doing your burial proclamation and your bullshit. Stop doing this shit. You're a grown fucking man. The year is 2022.
And consent.
Look at this. Look at this fuck over here.
By the death of our late sovereign.
Your feathered hat and your powdered wigs.
And rightful liege lord Charles III. By the grace of God.
Fuck him.
Head of the Commonwealth, defender of the faith.
God help us if the Republicans win. They're going to be dressing up in stupid ass outfits like this, making proclamations about King Trump and shit.